Have you ever wondered how dinosaurs ruled Earth for 165 million years? Hundreds of millions of years ago, Earth was untamed, a dangerous world of fire and storms. Strange reptiles known as archosaurs ruled these wild lands. From these ancestors, the first dinosaurs would one day rise. 230 million years ago, the first true dinosaurs appeared. Tiny hatchlings, fragile yet fierce, ran into a dangerous new world. This was the dawn of their adventure. Over millions of years, dinosaurs grew into the rulers of Earth. The long-necked Brachiosaurus stretched to the highest treetops. Stegosaurus, armored and spiked, stood ready for battle. Above them, pterosaurs owned the skies. The Jurassic world was alive with power, danger, and survival. The undisputed king of the dinosaurs, the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. Herds of Triceratops thundered across the plains, horns ready to defend. Gentle giants, towering Brachiosaurus, ruled the treetops of ancient forests. Swift and cunning, packs of velociraptors hunted with deadly precision. And then came the king, Tyrannosaurus Rex. It grew into a hunter of unimaginable strength. Its roar shook the earth. Sharp teeth, stronger than steel, could crush bones in seconds. The king's greatest battles were with the mighty Triceratops. Predator and prey locked in an eternal fight for survival. Dinosaurs were more than monsters. They were parents. Enjoying this epic journey through the Age of Dinosaurs? Don't forget to hit subscribe to channel GeoNetHub for more thrilling stories of nature, history, and beyond. Herds migrated across endless plains, while deadly hunters stalked in packs. For 165 million years, they ruled every land, every forest, every ocean shore. But nature had one final twist. 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid appeared in the skies. The impact was apocalyptic. Skies turned black, forests burned, and oceans boiled. The giants of Earth were falling. But some small creatures survived the firestorm. From these survivors, a new legacy was born. Birds, the living descendants of dinosaurs. From the terrifying T-Rex to the humble sparrow, dinosaurs vanished, but their story remains. In the rocks beneath our feet, in the science that uncovers their secrets, and in every bird that soars above us. From birth to death, from ancestors to descendants, Dinosaurs will forever remain the greatest rulers our planet has ever seen. And some of these giants still live among us, as birds. Which dinosaur is your favorite? Let us know below.